Hi, Nikolai here with Texas Tile Works. I'd like to show you an example of just how difficult it can be when removing a tile that's been properly installed. The process is fairly simple, however you do have to take a lot of care and caution because you do not want to damage the surrounding tile. The entire process took about 15 minutes. For the purpose of this video, we sped up the clip. You can do this by hand, but I would strongly recommend using a chipping hammer like we did in this clip. You need to make sure that your foundation is clear and clean of any debris. The bonding agent is called Thinset. You want to make sure that it's being spread out as evenly as possible. Back buttering is the process by which you apply Thinset to the back of the tile. You want to make sure that you're back buttering the tile so that when the tile is set in, you're getting 100% coverage. Doing all of this helps to ensure that the tile is being applied and set in evenly and permanently. This is an example of just one particular repair, but there are many different ways and many different tiles. So if you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks for watching.